The 1998 ice storm. In the first days of January 1998, a strange stillness settled over parts of Canada and the northeastern United States. The air was heavy, the sky was a dull, endless gray, and a cold mist drifted quietly through the trees. People woke to a world that felt tense, expectant, like nature was holding its breath. Few realized that one of the most devastating ice storms in modern history was about to unfold. It began with rain. Not a downpour, not a storm, just a steady, freezing drizzle that seemed harmless at first. But as the hours passed, and then the days, the rain didn't stop. Layer after layer of ice wrapped itself around everything it touched. Branches bent under the weight, groaning like old timbers. Power lines sagged dangerously low, encased in crystal. Roads transformed into glass. By the third day, the world looked breathtaking, like a frozen kingdom sculpted by an artist with limitless imagination. Trees glittered like chandeliers. Fields shimmered under a smooth coat of icy perfection. But beneath that beauty lay a growing menace. The ice was now inches thick. Whole forests bowed unnaturally, and with a sharp crack like gunfire tearing through the silence, trees began to fall. Then came the cascade. One trunk snapped, pulling down branches beside it, which struck power lines, which toppled poles, which plunged entire towns into darkness. Electricity grids failed one after another, triggering one of the largest power outages ever seen in North America. More than 4 million people were left without heat, lights, or communication in the dead of winter. Families huddled near fireplaces. Neighbors shared blankets, generators, and food. Schools, churches, and arenas became emergency shelters. In some places, the only light at night came from candles flickering behind frosted windows. Outside, crews worked around the clock, linemen battling bitter winds and ice-coated equipment, soldiers clearing streets filled with shattered trees, volunteers delivering supplies door to door. The storm had transformed communities into islands of resilience. And still, the ice kept coming. For nearly a week, the freezing rain refused to stop. When it finally did, the landscape looked like something from another world. Power lines lay twisted and broken. Tens of thousands of trees were splintered. Farms and towns faced weeks, some even months, before life returned to normal. Yet in the midst of destruction, people found strength. They found compassion. They found each other. The 1998 ice storm became more than a weather disaster. It became a testament to human endurance, to neighbors helping neighbors, and to the extraordinary spirit that emerges when the world turns cold and dark. If you found this story compelling, help the channel grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing.